Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can sell your crypto in the gate.io. So before going to the video friends, if you are still not a subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also friends, still if you are not yet watching our playlist crypto using the gate.io, so you can just watch our playlist friends. There is an exciting deal. If you are a new user, if you sign up through our link, you will get an exciting offer friends. There is a limited offers are going on in our channel, so you can just follow our playlist. So you can just, as you can see here, how to deposit, how you can withdraw the coin, and also after selling this coin, so if you want to withdraw to your bank, so I have been already explained in this video. So as you can see here, you can just come and watch our playlist. And also if you want to join with our link, you will get an exciting deal of 10% additional discount for every trade, whatever trade in your gate.io account. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, let us open the app. So here, as you can see here, I'm in the gate.io app. So just I will go to the wallet section and also the spot section. So here I will scroll down below. So here, as you can see here, I have an like a BTC of $4. So just I want to sell this. So what I will do is, you can just click on the exchange. So one thing, so if you click on the exchange, you can see the pairs here. So if you want to any pair, you can directly select from here also. So as you can see here, there are a lot of pairs are available for the like a gate.io. So if you select the USDT, you can just directly get into the like exchange options and you can do it. Or else if you go to the market, so if you are click on the gate exchange also, so here will be a option. So you can click on the menu here, like three lines, and you can get the all the different types of options if you are not in the. So what I will do is, here I will like click on the sell. So here there above you can see the option called sell. Just I will tap on it. So once you tap on it, here you need to select for how much price you want to sell. So just I want to sell for the $4. So complete amount 100% I want to, you can just drag it. So if you want for the 51% or else you can make it over changes there. So now I want to sell the complete 100% and I will click on the sell and I will click on, and I will just confirm it. So once you confirm it, you may ask for the fund password. Just you need to enter the fund password over there. So as you can see here, so I will go to the history. You can see here the BTC has been fulfilled completely, and I will show you. So what I will do is, I will go to the wallet section here and I will go to the spot. So once you go to the spot, as you can see here, $4 has been created to my USDT account. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. And also friends, if you're still not yet joined to our WhatsApp group Crypto World, you can just join to our WhatsApp group friends. You will get unlimited period offers and so exciting deals. If there are any airdrops are going on, I will post in our WhatsApp group. You can just join to our WhatsApp group. And also if you're not yet joined to the gate.io, so you can just use our link and you can claim all these bonus which I have been explained in this playlist. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.